Hi, I'm Romilly. I'm the British Motor Museum's Community Engagement Coordinator. Today we're installing the final items for our People's 50 project. So behind me we've got our collection of objects which were donated by our local community. The aim of the exhibition was to complement our 50 British Motoring Treasures exhibition here. And we think that because our community in the Midlands is so involved with the motor industry, it's a really good opportunity to hear people's stories and display those through the objects that they can donate. We started collecting the objects by going out to local groups that the museum has already worked with and hearing people's stories in care homes, in local dementia cafes that we have done outreach with, also through advertising online to our visiting public to see what they could contribute.
I don't know whether to bring the picture down actually.
So my favourite object is a stamp that you can see just behind me here. This was donated by a man who was from Sri Lanka and has moved to this country, moved to the Midlands. It was issued to celebrate 100 years of the motor car in Sri Lanka. And it's a British car, so I think that's a really nice way to illustrate how much impact the British motor industry has had globally. So I think that's been a really nice thing to add to the display. You can have a look at our exhibition book that's on display with the latest round of objects, and that will show you all 50 as we've gone through the exhibition since August. So you can read everyone's story from number 1 up to number 50. So you can come and have a look at this project until May the 7th. It will be here alongside our 50 British Motoring Treasures exhibition until May the 7th for you to come and have a look and see the final round of People's 50 objects that we've installed today.